How to enable notifications on Spotify. 1. Open the Spotify application. 2. Select as in the video. 3. Select Settings and Privacy. 4. Select Account. 5. Select Account Overview. 6. Scroll down. 7. Select Notification Settings. You can select and tick. Success, all your notifications are now active. Don't forget to like and subscribe.